Hey there, and what's happening? Kevin here. I'm in the process of redoing a lot of my office workspace, and I'd love to hear from you if you want to see a more of an in-depth video. I might do it anyway, but I'd like to even hear more of an in-depth video about how I have my setup, what I'm doing. If you could see right now, I'm shooting this on my iPhone. It's my iPhone 11. Pause. I got the iPhone 13. Oh, I even got the new MacBook. And I haven't even had time to unbox it. And a friend of mine says, "Dang, you've got some patience there." And the reality of it is, I don't. I'm not a patient person. We have a young son who has special needs, and there's just been some things going on with him recently that's just kind of prevented me from doing a lot of stuff. One of the things I've been thinking about is really kind of downscaling more. I just sold one of my M50 Mark IIs on Gear Focus. I did a video not too long ago about how to sell gear and buy gear. I'll link both of those up if you're ever interested in that. And I also have a link on my website to all the gear I have. What I'm using right now is a light stand with an iPhone bracket on it, and it was just easy. I've got a couple of lights turned on here. I don't do the overhead light, but I'm in the process of kind of reinventing a lot of my space. This is a renovated bedroom that I turned into an office space. This is where I do my work, where I do client work, where I edit, where I create, where I live stream, where I produce videos. I love it. So you can see different things here. There's kind of my workspace. I'm thinking of getting rid of this. It's just kind of clunky and big. I'm gonna adjust this. I don't want to get rid of a lot of this stuff. I really like a lot of that. It has different meanings. I think there comes a time where, as a creator, it's like, how much stuff do I need and how much do I want? And, and I've talked a lot about gear, and you do need gear to create. I don't know how much gear you need. I mean, right now, I'm gonna be down to a couple of cameras. It just sounds so bad when you say it. But I've got this one right here. That's my Canon M6 Mark II. That's what I traditionally shoot most of my videos with for my YouTube channel. I shoot everything, I shoot my YouTube videos in 4K because that's what I like, that resolution. And then I have this. I have an M50 Mark II, great camera. I just sold, I had a white and a black one. I just sold the black one. So this is one I will live stream with. I usually do everything 1080p in this. I love that. Just got rid of a bunch of lenses. Right here, right now, these are all the lenses I have except for one I just bought because I wasn't using them. So one of the things that I want to challenge you with as a co-creator, somebody maybe just starting out or you're fairly new to it, or you're going to start out, don't be afraid to start with a little. Like right now, I'm using my iPhone 11 for this, and one of the things I want to do is start creating more with my iPhone 13. And I want to rethink how I create content and things like that. So one of the things to think about if you're creating is don't get caught up in the best. Don't get caught up in, having that many things. I literally just sold, I want to say 8 lenses. They were lenses that were great lenses, even though one got a chip in it, but I wasn't using it anymore. I sold a nifty 50, which is a great lens, but I'm not using it. My thought to you, my advice, my encouragement is, if you're a content creator, just don't get caught up on how much stuff you've got. Audio's great, and right now I'm doing this so native off the phone. Literally. I haven't put an external mic on or anything like that. Don't worry about how much gear you have. Don't worry about trying to get the best gear. Start with what you've got and start creating and start uploading and start connecting with people and sharing your gifts. That's one of the things I talk about all the time, is share your gifts and make an impact in the world. But don't let the amount of gear, things like that, try and dictate what you need and what you need to do and stuff like that. So hopefully the next time I do, I think I'm gonna get rid of this too. I don't know. One of the things I think I'm gonna do is kind of declutter first and then see where it goes from there. Hope you enjoy this. Hope you enjoy this type style vlog. Probably gonna do more of these along with the tutorials and things like that. But hey, I'm Kevin. Keep creating, keep sharing your gifts. See you next time.